In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Google Calendar event updated for July 2025. If you're like many people who rely on Google Calendar to keep your schedule organized, knowing how to quickly and efficiently cancel an event can be very useful. Whether your plans have changed or a meeting is no longer necessary, follow along with me as I walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the account that is associated with the event you want to cancel. If you're accessing Google Calendar from a browser, simply navigate to calendar.google.com and log in if you aren't already. Once you're in your Google Calendar, locate the specific event you wish to cancel. Click on the event to bring up a pop-up with more details about the meeting or appointment. This pop-up is your gateway to various options related to the event. Now, direct your attention to the top of this pop-up where you'll find a trash can icon, which signifies the delete option. Click on this icon to proceed with canceling your event. If your event is part of a recurring series, you'll see a few options to choose from. You can opt to delete just this single instance by selecting this event. Alternatively, if you want to cancel this event along with all future occurrences, click on This and Following Events. Lastly, if your intention is to delete the entire series, including all past and future dates, choose All Events in the Series. After deciding which option fits your situation, Google Calendar will prompt you with a question regarding sending out cancellation emails to the other guests involved in this event. Sending a notification ensures everyone is on the same page and avoids any confusion about the schedule change. If you'd like to inform them, simply click Send. On the other hand, if you prefer not to send out any notifications, choose Don't Send. Once you've made your decision, remember that the deleted events aren't gone forever immediately. They are stored in the trash folder of your calendar settings. Should you ever need to recover a canceled event, you have up to 30 days to restore it from trash. This is a handy feature that can save the day in case of an accidental deletion or sudden change of plans. And there you have it. Canceling a Google Calendar event is really that straightforward. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your schedule and ensure your calendar accurately reflects your plans. I hope you found this guide helpful and efficient for your scheduling needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.